The key to having ultra moisturized, glowing and a supple skin is just two words: body oils. Now the thing is, not all body oils work the same. Some body oils are for brightening, while some are for moisturizing, some lighten your skin. If you're confused on what body oil to use to brighten, lighten or moisturize your skin, keep watching. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Felicia, your guide to a flawless and a glowing skin. I'm going to start with lightening body oils. Now for lightening body oils, I'm going to be giving you 3 lightening body oils. Okay, so the first body oil that will lighten your skin is a skin point glow lightening oil. This body oil is enriched with alpha arbutin and kojic acid. Kojic acid and alpha arbutin are very good, like super lightening ingredients. So this body oil will lighten your skin and help to fade dark spot and discoloration on your skin. If you have dark knuckles, dark underarms and dark thighs, you're looking for a body oil that will fade those discoloration on your skin, I would recommend that you get the Skin Point Glow Lightening Body Oil. This body oil also contains SPF 15. It means that it contains sunscreen. It will help to reduce wrinkle on your skin, hyperpigmentation, fine lines and blemishes, and just give you like a clear glowing skin. Now what I will advise is that you do not mix it with your body lotion, because the pH level in the lotion is different from the pH level in the oil. So what you do is, after using your body lotion, wait for 10 to 15 seconds before you apply this Skin Point Glow Lightening Oil. Or if you do not want to use your body lotion, you can just use it directly on your skin. It will still do the job 100%. This oil will visibly reduce dark spot, repair damaged skin, and even out your skin complexion. It will glow your skin and give you a bright, radiant and a supple skin. This oil is sold for 8,500 to 9,500 depending on where you are getting it. It comes in 300 ml. It is free from hydroquinone. It contains alpha arbutin and kojic acid that will lighten your skin, fade discoloration, fade dark spot, and give you a radiant glowing skin. Okay, all right guys, the second body oil is the Gold alpha arbutin body corrector and polishing oil. This oil also contains alpha arbutin. Notice that most of the lightening oil contain alpha arbutin because alpha arbutin is a super lightening ingredient. So if you're looking for something that will lighten you guys, just look out for alpha arbutin or kojic acid, because those two ingredients will just do the magic. If you have like dark spot, discoloration, blemishes, hyperpigmentation, and you're looking for something that will clear it. Now this oil will increase your skin elasticity. It contains vitamin C also that will help to fight environmental hazard, help to build collagen on your skin, that will also make your skin to look really firm and beautiful. If you cannot get the Skin Point oil, you can get this Go body corrector polishing oil. It is also a very good oil that you can use to lighten your skin. It will fade dark spot and discoloration on your skin. This Go oil is an anti-aging oil that can be used both on the face and on your body. So if you're looking for an oil that you can use both on your face and on your body, this Go body oil is the oil that you should use. Okay, and lastly, for our lightening body oil, the oil that I will recommend is the Soft 7 turmeric oil. This Soft 7 turmeric body oil is a super lightening body oil. I have 2 friends that are using this Soft 7 turmeric oil and their skin is looking so beautiful. So if you want something that will lighten your skin mildly, this Soft 7 turmeric oil is the oil that you should go for, because it contains turmeric, it also contains kojic acid, alpha arbutin, and it contains a little percentage of glutathione in it. This Soft 7 turmeric oil is for all skin type. So whether you're dry skin, sensitive, or even oily skin, you can use it. Do not use it on your face. This oil is not to be used on your face. It is just a body oil. Okay, it is only the Go oil that you can use both on your face and on your body. But this Soft 7 turmeric oil is to be used only on your body alone. This oil goes for 8,500 to 9,000 depending on where you're getting it from. Before we go to our brightening body oil, if you have watched this video to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please guys do well to hit the subscription button, put on the notification bell so that whenever I post, you will get to know. All right, guys, let's move to the brightening body oils. Guys, this brightening oil are for those that are looking to boost their skin radiance, enhance their skin complexion, and just have an even glowing complexion. Okay, so the first brightening body oil that I have for us is the Moroccan argan oil. This Moroccan argan oil is very good for skin brightening. It will not lighten your skin, it will maintain your skin complexion, but just give it radiance and make it look glowy and beautiful. This Moroccan argan oil will help to, reduce signs of aging, reduce fine lines and wrinkle, and just give you a clear glowing skin. So if you want something that will just brighten your skin without necessarily giving you a shade or two lighter than your normal complexion, this Moroccan argan oil is the body oil that you should go for. It is very effective and yet affordable. It comes in 350 ml, so it has a very good quantity that is commensurate to the price. Okay, I highly recommend it for anyone that just wants to brighten their skin, maintain radiance, and even out their skin complexion. Okay, this Moroccan argan oil is very good. All right, guys, the second brightening body oil that I will highly recommend is the Vidgo turmeric body oil. This Vidgo turmeric oil is a brightening body oil. Do not mistake it for a lightening body oil. Okay, it will not lighten your skin, it will just brighten your skin complexion. The major ingredient that this Vidgo turmeric oil contains are turmeric and vitamin C. Turmeric is a very good brightening ingredient. It is a natural brightening ingredient that will help to brighten your skin because of the curcumin in it. Then it will fade fine lines and wrinkle, fade dark spot on your skin, and just give you a clear glowing skin without making your skin look a shade or two lighter than your normal complexion. Then this oil also contains vitamin C. Vitamin C is also a very good brightening ingredient that will help to build collagen on your skin, help to fight environmental damages like sun damage on your skin that makes our skin to look dull and tired. Okay, so if you use this body oil, it will give you a clear skin. It will not lighten you, but give you a clear skin, even out your complexion, and just make you look beautiful. Okay guys, for moisturizing body oils, you need moisturizing body oils if your skin is always looking ashy, flaky and dry. These body oils will help to hydrate, moisturize and nourish your skin. So the first moisturizing body oil that I have for us today is the Palmer's cocoa butter formula. This Palmer's cocoa butter formula will not only moisturize and hydrate your skin, it will help to provide nourishment, supple your skin and rejuvenate dry, flaky, ashy skin. Now this body oil will do the following to your skin. First, it will moisturize and soften rough skin. If you have dry, rough skin, try and get this body oil. Okay, it will also nourish your skin because it contains a vitamin E and cocoa butter that will provide radiance and nourishment to your skin and leave your skin looking really natural and beautiful. Then the next thing that you need to know about this body oil is that it stays on your skin for up to 48 hours. Yes, it works like that. It stays on your skin for up to 48 hours to provide nourishment and moisturize your skin. It absorbs into your skin easily to provide nourishment and radiance to your skin. It goes for 15,000 to 18,000 naira depending on where you are getting it. But not to worry, if you feel like this one is too expensive, because we understand how the economy is, I would advise that you get the Johnson or the Cousins baby oil. Yes, get any of this baby oil and you will still have the same results that the Palmer's cocoa butter formula will give to you. I am not even kidding. They will nourish your skin and give you a baby-like skin. If you're a student or a low-income earner, I will advise that you get Johnson or Cousin baby oil. These oils are very good. They contains argan oil, they contain chamomile extract and other very nourishing ingredients that are formulated to be suitable for a baby's skin. Now imagine you using ingredients that are meant for a baby's skin, using it on your own skin. It gives you a very beautiful and a glowing skin. Guys, if you cannot get any of these two, you can get the Vaseline cocoa butter body oil. This Vaseline cocoa butter body oil will also nourish your skin without brightening or changing your skin complexion. It will give you a nourished, supple and a rejuvenated skin. This Vaseline body oil is also good. So if you cannot get any of this one, get the Vaseline body oil. It is not too expensive also. Okay guys, these are the body oils that I have for you today. Choose from any of this body oil. If you're looking for a lightening, a brightening or a moisturizing body oil, I have all given you my top pick that will help to change your skin, transform it, give it a glowing and a radiant complexion without bleaching you, because guys, we do not do bleaching over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to hit the subscription button, turn on the notification, and if you have any question, ask in the comments. Okay, thank you and have a fantastic time. Bye.